First warning weather with meteorologist Freddy Vela.
All right, thank you very much, Avery. All right, let's take a look right now at current temperatures. Still sitting at about 78 degrees at Camp Mabry. We still have some cloud coverage out there. And in fact, for the day itself, I expect it will at least reach back up to around 85 degrees. And that's thanks to the very lack of rainfall that we've received over the course of the day today. We're getting some pockets of some of that sunshine in there, and that will help us get back up into the 80s. So play this out over the past couple of hours so we can see exactly where that cloud coverage is right now and where some of the rainfall has been. In fact, as we move out most of the clouds and really just focus on the radar itself, you can see some streamer showers that have just kind of pushed through, most of it within Fayette County, Bastrop County, Caldwell County, Travis, Hayes, and even Blanco, where we've seen just a couple of them kind of swing by, but they're very quick moving, very light in tenure, and I don't expect to see very much really building up because of some of these streamer showers that continue to push through. And your severe risk for today has been downgraded tremendously. In fact, it just got upgraded again, or downgraded again just recently, now removing most of the eastern counties. General thunderstorm category for everyone else except for Caldwell, Bastrop, Lee, and Fayette County. And then we only have a category 1 or marginal category for San Saba and Lampasas. Everyone else just pretty much staying within that general thunderstorm category. So let's play this out throughout the rest of the day. And I do need to put a little asterisk here because the model isn't really focusing on rainfall for the afternoon. But if you do get some rain, it's because of the daytime heating we're going to get. If the clouds all stick around, and I expect that it may actually do that, we may not get very much at all this afternoon. In fact, it may end up just being a much drier afternoon going into the evening hours. So then our focus is going to be what's going to happen on Saturday. Saturday, we do know that we're going to get the lift from the front that's going to come in. There's already a lot of moisture out there, a lot of energy that's just sitting there on top of us, waiting to just get tapped into. It just needs that lift, and it looks like that's going to come in the form of a front that was expected to push through. After 12 o'clock, we'll get our first round of showers with that frontal boundary as it comes in, but the front will really push through as we get to about 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Once it really does come in, you're expecting at least a few showers and thunderstorms, and even overnight, getting from about 12 to 1 to 2 in the morning, you could see some of these pockets of showers pick up one more time, leading into early on Sunday morning as well. So really, that's what we're going to start watching now as far as rainfall Saturday into Sunday. I think that's going to be our next best chance. In fact, Saturday, severe risk for tomorrow. You see that we're all within that slight category, or that category 2 out of 5 of what we could actually see build up. And in fact, there's more confidence that we're going to see hail, egg size or larger, and winds at 58 miles per hour plus for pretty much everyone at this point because of the storms that are expected to build up over Saturday and heading into Sunday. Your 7-day forecast shows that that's going to be our next severe risk. Front comes in. Don't forget, you got to move the clock move the clock ahead by 1 hour Saturday going into Sunday. We'll see a little bit of drop in temperatures there, and then we'll see that next chance of rain and possible severe weather as we get from Tuesday into Wednesday.